Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. If you have a Galaxy S22 series or S21 series of phone and you're in India and you have a green line going through your phone like this, you can get a free screen replacement. The latest information coming out is that an update that was pushed out to these Samsung phones, it has a green line going through it, and Samsung will fix your screen for you for free. They'll replace it. So you'd have to reach out to Samsung and they'll either send you to a local repair shop or you'll have to send it into them. But ultimately you can get your screen fixed. It's weird that this would, unless the update's the only one that had an issue was the one that came out of India. But if it's not, it'd be weird that they wouldn't offer this internationally, especially something like this happening in America. I know people would probably sue them for having this issue. So we'll see what happens with this if it gets more widespread, but right now it's only in India. If you were curious about the Galaxy Ring sizes and also the model numbers, here they are. Here's the model numbers first. They have beautiful SM-Q500 all the way to Q509. They also come in sizes, which we've known this, but sizes from 5 to 13, so little skinny fingers up to some big chubby sausage fingers. This ring should be announced in July or August with the other Galaxy phones, the Z Flip 6, the Z Flip Fold 6, new watches, probably new tablets. They're gonna release a lot of stuff this time, so we'll see. Maybe they'll delay it a little bit or push it a little bit forward, but I expect it to be out very, very soon, either sometime in summer or very, very early fall. Everyone's always waiting for the next update for their Galaxy S24 Ultra Plus or regular S24 base phone. And the next update is being pushed to the servers, and it's going to be, it doesn't look like it's going to be a huge update. There was rumors it was going to be a big, camera performance type update, but it doesn't look like it's going to be that per Tarun. Tarun is saying that the bootloader is changed from 1 to 2. Sadly, the build number starts with an S, which usually means just a security patch. So if you had high hopes about the next update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 as being another big update, it's not going to be. It's going to be most likely a security update. Thanks for watching. Your question of the day is, do you guys live and die by these updates, or is it kind of like when you see it, you grab it, or are you like really, really dying to itching to get it? Let us know. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.